Yuna from the healthsite.com, and I have executive sous chef Harpreet Singh Sahai from the Hyatt. And chef, you look like a foodie.
Definitely, I am.
Okay.
Chef has to be foodie.
Of course, absolutely. But these days, everybody is conscious about eating healthy and eating right. So, could you quickly tell us what is it that people should follow when they order food, when they go to 5 stars, or when they go out to eat? What are some of the tips that you can give us for eating healthy?
One thing, most of the things go for barbecue, grills. Most healthier things, very light. Can be meat, but all the fats have been dripped out. It's left meat, which you can enjoy with some salts and
Absolutely.
less of spices in it. If you want to retain the flavors, not just enhance the flavor of this. Second thing, if you go for breads, go for gluten-free breads.
Gluten-free.
Gluten-free bread doesn't mean that you are allergic to wheat.
Okay.
Like maida,
Yeah.
it's not good for it. As is wheat also. Gluten-free is without any maida, without any carbohydrates.
Okay.
Made from jowar, bajra. You don't think like jowar, bajra is gluten-free. Yes, it's gluten-free.
Okay.
And it is healthy,
And
tasty too.
Absolutely.
Second thing, how you make it tasty is of the chefs, how you do it.
Yes.
The grill, just tell the waiters to grill it mild and pour some olive oil in it. That's the way to go.
Okay.
And everybody can do it for you.
What about portion control? Indians have a big problem with portion control, right?
Yes.
So, do you have any tips on
Yes,
what you
definitely. I generally, when I plan to eat my dinner, half an hour before, I generally go for around half a big bowl of watermelon. Cut
Okay.
watermelon.
can
Some
do?
juice will die and feel you make hungry and that clears your liver.
Okay. So you don't overeat then when you're eating.
And it clears your liver,
Okay.
which helps you secrete a lot of good immune system, which enhances it,
Okay.
and digestion helps in it. And you basically get the nutrition part is more out of the food.
Okay. One common thing that Indians like to do, which they find in every chota mota restaurant, is this after dinner digestive. Your surf and your dinner dal. But when we are eating at like a fancy restaurant or at a 5-star, we usually don't find these after dinner digestives. So why is that? Why do you feel?
People think that eating songs is not my style,
Right.
but that's not the thing. Songs is a mild freshener which is a sweet, and not a sweetest.
Right.
So and it works as a boost. You don't
Yes.
feel like I've eaten somewhat
Yeah.
more, and gives you the following like sweetness, but you miss the last. I mean, really spoon of sugar or ice cream or some rubbery or
Right.
some. It subdues that.
Yeah.
So you
it's a good
overcome that.
idea to have that.
Definitely,
Right?
definitely.
Okay. Hoping that more and more chefs do keep it in their 5 stars as well. Chef, for all the women who are cooking out there and all the men who are cooking at home,
Yes.
a quick guide on what kind of oils they should be using or some mistakes that people are making with oil while cooking.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very important thing. These days, a lot of oils are coming on the market. Somebody is cholesterol free. This is this. Best oils, as you know, olive oil is the best oil because of fat omega fatty acids, which are cut the fat in the body. You can bring extra virgin olive oil, but not for cooking purpose. Olive oil, which is generally plain olive oil, and it's extra virgin olive oil, and it's pomace olive oil.
Okay.
Pomace olive oil is generally third extract of olive oil,
Okay.
which can be used for cooking.
Is
Indian
it okay
cooking.
for Indian high
Because there
heat
is strong
cooking?
flavor of olive.
Okay.
But if I have mild flavor of olive oil in my dal, I don't mind.
Right.
So you have strong flavor of garlic also.
Right.
It's how you adapt to the flavor.
Okay.
So if you have olive oil, but make sure you don't overheat the olive oil.
Right.
You have to start cooking from the first. When you switch it on, the moment to put oil, add the garlic to it or the ginger to it if you are vegetarian. If you are Jain, don't want onion, just put the ginger, some chilies, some tomatoes and some spices, start sauteing and add the garlic.
Okay. And in salads, one of the biggest problem that we have is people order salad, but they have like a lot of salad dressing.
Dressings, definitely.
Yeah.
And dressings generally doesn't mean that you have to make dressing out of mayonnaise. Generally taken mayonnaise and oil also.
Right.
We do a lot of yogurt-based dressings.
Yogurt is a good option.
Most important dressing, you can make a dressing out of avocado and olive oil.
Great.
Mash the avocado with some garlic, some olive oil, some lemon, some salt, some pepper. Mash it up well and mix it to the spaghetti or mix it to the vegetable. Or you don't want to eat noodles like spaghetti, maida again. Make shavings and thin julienne of zucchini or any vegetable and add to that. So it's very healthy.
Wow.
And sweet potato,
Yes.
most important thing. Sweet potato is one of the most nutrient things from the
Wow.
people don't realize that.
So sweet potato and zucchini people, that's what
Caramelized sweet potatoes and zucchini salad with avocado dressing.
Thank you so much, Chef, for all the tips. And if you like this video and you would like to watch more of these videos, please don't forget to comment, share and like. Chef also tells you to please comment, right?
Please comment and subscribe, please.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Hi, this is Chef Harpreet from Hyatt Regency Mumbai. You're watching me on healthsite.com.